Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a BMO retirement account. A BMO retirement account is a type of savings plan designed to help you save for your retirement. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of using a BMO retirement account step by step. First, you need to open a BMO retirement account. You can do this by visiting the BMO website or by visiting a BMO branch in person. You will need to provide some personal and financial information to open the account. Once your account is open, you can start making contributions. Contributions can be made on a regular basis, such as monthly or annually. The money in your account will be invested in a variety of assets such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. To manage your account, you can use the BMO online banking platform or the BMO mobile app. These tools allow you to view your account balance, make transactions, and change your investment options. You can also use these tools to set up automatic contributions and to track your progress towards your retirement goals. It is also important to understand the fees associated with a BMO retirement account. There may be management fees and other charges that apply to your account. These fees can eat into your returns, so it is essential to understand them and to factor them into your retirement planning. In addition to contributions and fees, you should also consider the tax implications of a BMO retirement account. The money in your account will grow tax-free and you will not have to pay taxes on the investment earnings. However, you will have to pay taxes when you withdraw the money in retirement. To get the most out of your BMO retirement account, it is essential to start saving early and to be consistent with your contributions. You should also aim to contribute as much as possible to your account each year. Additionally, you should review and adjust your investment options regularly to ensure that they remain aligned with your retirement goals. In conclusion, using a BMO retirement account is a great way to save for your retirement. By following these steps and by being consistent with your contributions, you can build a significant nest egg and achieve your retirement goals. Remember to always review and adjust your account regularly to ensure that you are on track to meet your objectives.